I'm so glad that you guys were able to come in and take a look at Edpuzzle. I've been raving about this application for a really long time, and today I finally get to show you what it's all about. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to edpuzzle.com. Then you're going to do login, and it's going to tell you if you're a teacher. You say I'm a teacher, and the best thing is we can use our Uplift login to sign up. Right now, I'm going to use my personal login just because I'm right here at home and I'm using it at that point. Here is your main deck area for your dashboard, basically, for Edpuzzle. It has your profile already loaded up here. It'll take you to your classes. We can add our classes over here. There's a grade book. I'll give you due date, start date. I have put in my master's class over there just so that I know what I am doing and it's organized. And then here's a tab for content. If you'd like to search for videos and see what other people have done, you can definitely do that as well. So there's a wide variety of videos that are available. It starts with the letter J song and it can go all the way up to learning about refugees and alliteration. Anything that you can think about, there's probably an Edpuzzle video for out there. And if there isn't, you will learn how to make one and share it with the rest of the community. So here's one for your home. Here's one content for your curriculum, depending on where you're at. Obviously, we would look at elementary curriculum, and then we see what other teachers have done. Over here, we have one for Uplift Education. These are 3 videos that I have created overall, and it's because I have made it into where I was only able to look at it for 5th grade and only for English language arts. Here are other videos created by other Uplift teachers, and they offer great questions and content for everybody. So here you will see there's a 5th grade walk by Justin Hassan, and then when you go up, it'll tell you if it's for high school content, October, middle school, all of that great stuff. And then you click on this tab right here where it says My Content. These are the videos that I have already created. Now, if you'd like to create a video, or see what's out there to find a video itself. Like if you were like, I don't know, I'm just looking for something on YouTube. You have access to YouTube within Edpuzzle. So let's say that you are thinking about growth mindset and having students think about growth mindset at a deeper level. Or if you want to do a Liberty Kids episode to teach them about the US history, you just simply go up here and you type it in. This will only search things on YouTube. If, let's say, you want to go on Khan Academy, National Geographic, TED Talks, or all these other different types of channels, you can go on there and you can still look for it as well. Since I'm over here, I would look for growth mindset. And here's some videos about growth mindset. Now, obviously, you can preview them. I love the fact that the dojo monsters are here, and that's what I used to build my very first video. And I believe that this content is something that I can use, and I've watched this video. So you can go over here, you can preview the video, and it will play the video for you. And you can use the controls over here to control what's happening. On the bottom, you can see that there's already 366 video versions of it. So 366 videos exist, and they each have their own questions and things like that. If you'd like, you can take one of those videos, copy it, and then edit it, and then assign it, or you can do your own editing by yourself. So once we have our video, we're going to go to edit. And here you watch the video, you reset, you use these tools to either cut the video shorter, make it longer. If I want to add a cut, I can do it right here. There's a cut. And you see there's 2 other white lines coming, like, oh, I want to start it at this point. I want to do it at this point. And in the middle over here, they need to ask a question, or that I just don't want that part of the video over there. You can do that as well. And there's undo and reset. This is just for editing the video itself. Now, if I'd like to do a voiceover, as of right now, it says I cannot do it. There's certain videos you have to see, sorry about that. You have to see what is going on and what kind of rights you have available. And then finally, you have the tab for questions. Here, you move this black dot to see exactly where in the video you would like to stop. And then you add in a multiple choice question, an open-ended question, or a note. And this is where our feedback and our assignments would come in. So I can put in a question. I can say, okay, what is my question? Here are my answer choices. And then if they choose this answer, I can give them immediate feedback saying, great job, you did wonderful. Or if they chose an answer that's wrong, I can tell them, hey, go back and try it again. Or I can be like, you know what, next time you need to think about what details you're missing when you are figuring out your answers. Okay, and once you are done, I'm going to click cancel right now. Go back to my videos. I'm going to go back to my Edpuzzle, go to my content, click on this video that already exists. On the bottom, you should have noticed that it said save, and it would come back to this page right here. Once it's to this page right here, I can assign. And when I assign, I can assign it to a class, I can prevent skipping, I can turn on the CC, so if the students can't even hear the video, they can read the text. And then I can click on the classroom, say assign, and it assigns it to that classroom. Boom, there you go. Now we know that this class has to do this assignment right here. So this is a basic introduction to the video. You can obviously go back over here. You can share, go live, share the assignment, delete the assignment. We can do this assignment together at the same time. All of those things can happen. I can share this assignment with my other co-teacher and be like, hey, I already made this video. You can go ahead and play it in your classroom. Or I can go live where it says you've already signed to this video to your students. If you want to go live, make sure you're all in the same classroom at the same time. I will share my screen with the students using the projector, and then I will tell the students to go to their Edpuzzle and go to their class. The live assignment will automatically appear, and I will track their progress like any other assignment. Okay, that's a basic introduction to Edpuzzle.